Good morning. Well, it's Monday morning. I'm on board Chasamba just to see what we're going to be doing today and for the rest of the week. The guys have finished constructing a bit of a walkway around the vessel. Their plan is to start buffing the ship's sides and prep that ready, so it's good. Randy and I are going to remove GPS antenna this morning, get that out of the way, don't want that getting damaged. So yeah, the project continues. We can see Randy there with his new haircut. Hey Rand, oh guapo, huh? Very nice, very nice. So the guys, the belay crew have removed all the stanchions for the handrails. It's a little bit precarious at the moment, so got to be careful where you tread. Safety first. Okay Randy, safety first now. Pull all this through, eh? This must be a good 10 meters. Maybe more. 8 meters?
There's cement here.
Yeah. That was a good idea using this, eh? I mean, we'll put this back on, eh? So we will, in fact, we'll take it off. Yep, the antenna's putting up a bit of a fight. Okay, so Randy and I have removed the platform that was here. The belay crew took away the platform here on Saturday. So Randy and I will now just take off these extensions. She's very, very rusty underneath here. Pass me the phone, man. Just lots of corrosion there. Corrosion build up here. This is the exhaust cooling water outlet, and this is where the main support was for the platform. So all that's going to be addressed. Oh, we've got Captain Joel on board today. And we got a nice hole there. That's going to get welded and repaired. Hopefully that's the only one in the hull. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, the refurbishment of the anchor windlass continues. We're taking these back rails off, Randy. No. Also, we need to take this post off. This? Yeah, because it's going to come off, and I think they're going to cut the post away. But keep the plate, okay, because it's going to be used as part of the new A-frame project. So, yeah, we'll need to take that out as well, and these back handrails. So what we're doing here is we're trying to take away part of the galley bulkhead, because where Randy's sawing just now is a bloody big hole that's been patched up with body filler over the years, So we need to remove this in order to get a plate in there, so we can weld and fix the repair. Not easy. Okay, you can see where we've cut away now. It's actually worse than we thought. So yeah, it's quite a big job. It's quite ironic because when Chasamba was first built in 1992, she was actually green, albeit a much darker green. But the guys have got a few more coats of paint to apply before they get to the white top coat. Yeah, she looks quite nice already. Here's Florante floating out the air compressor. Elma's preparing the starboard side for spray painting. Yeah, good job guys. So the guys are now preparing the starboard side. So Florante is now applying the second coat of anti-corrosion primer. Well, that's the second coat of anti-corrosion paint completed. Fantastic job there. After this, Florante will start applying the body filler where needed, and it's needed. There's quite a bit to fill in, so that's the next stage of the game. So far so good. Yeah, she's looking good. Good job guys. Once again back at the ranch, it was time to start cleaning up the bow roller, stanchions and the back platform. I cannot see there being any painting done today, not judging by the look of the weather. It's a bit grey. Okay, you can see that the guys have started to apply the body filler, and yeah, it's going to be quite a bit of body filler used on this project, but yeah, it's coming along nicely. Well, the weather's a little bit better today. Hopefully the guys can make some progress. I see they've started to sand down the body filler. Can't see them getting any paint on that today. It's a little bit too damp, but construction's progressing on the A-frame, so that's good. So yeah, all good.
So we follow already. It's nice, you see?
Ah, yeah. Yeah, I think that'll look pretty good to dump. Yeah. Good job. That's the first hole to be welded up. The one on the port quarter. Yep, good job. It's coming along. Captain Joel's here, supervise the crew. Hi Joel.
Hello.
There's Captain Joel. That's his boys. Good job Joel, thank you very much. So this repair now done, Alma?
Yeah.
It's finished?
It's finished.
Good job, eh? Excellent. So the next grinding?
Yes, they grind and put a primer.
Primer, then body filler?
Yes.
Okay, fantastic. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. Good job, well done. Captain's on his sinking ship. Well, the construction of the A-frame's coming along.
Chasamba looks colourful.
She's very colourful, eh? Multicoloured. Keep the boys busy. Well, hello there. Yeah, another busy week here at Fury Marine. As you've seen on the video, it's ongoing with Chasamba. The guys are busy. The hole on the port aft quarter, I knew about that hole. In fact, it was me that put the hole in it.
How could you have put that hole?
That was an accident.
No,
we were chipping away the rust.
You're Superman.
No, we were chipping away, right, doing some descaling, and I was like, well, that doesn't feel right, and douche, it went through. Then Randy went inside and stuck his finger through it, right? So I knew that was there. However, the one on the starboard side, just below the galley porthole, I had my suspicions, because when we were descaling, I was like, oh, right, I'm not going any further with that. It feels a bit iffy. So anyway, I'm glad we found it. Yeah, it was iffy. So I'm glad we found it. I'd rather we found them now than later on if we're at sea. But thankfully, they're all above the waterline.
Okay.
Okay. And we never found anything below the waterline when we were buffing off the rust and shitty paint and stuff like that. So all good. This coming week they'll progress more with the A-frame. That should be finished. The fabrication anyway of the A-frame should be finished this coming week. Not sure when they're going to start the deck, the main deck, but I suspect there might be some corrosion issues in one or two parts of the deck, but we'll find out in due course.
I have a hypothetical question.
Go for it.
How much do you think is still original Chasamba steel versus the corrosion and the holes that have been covered?
I would say at least 95%.
Eek.
Original, yeah. I mean, she's what, 27, 28-year-old, so yeah, it's still good. She's still in good nick, steel-wise. It's good grade steel.
Okay.
Yeah, trust me.
You're a marine engineer, I trust you.
I used to be. I've done that for a while. But yeah, all good, guys. So yeah, please remember, subscribe.
That wasn't
Hit
a
that bell.
hypothetical question, wasn't it? No, it wasn't.
No.
Sorry.
Curiosity, I guess. You know? Yeah. Don't worry, we won't sink, Han, when we're out on the ocean. We won't sink, trust me.
I hope not.
We'll be alright. So guys, stay safe out there. Remember, once again, subscribe, hit the bell. If you want to join the Fury Marine crew membership, hit the Patreon link. Much appreciated to our patrons already, and a big thank you to all our subscribers, and hopefully see you all next week. Bye.
Bye.
Slange.
Why didn't you wait for me?
Bye.
Bye.
Slange.
There you go.